Hello there, my friends. In my future videos I will often use Raspberry Pis. A Raspberry Pi is just a tiny computer, which comes with a low price, a huge community and of course, pins. But how do you set up one of these beautiful and godforsaken piece of To get started we need the Raspberry Pi imager. Download it from the official website and install. With this application you can burn an operating system on the Raspberry Pi's SD card. Most people use Raspbian, but there are actually a lot of them. Later we will access the Raspberry Pi over the Secure Shell Protocol, or SSH for short. To activate it we create a file in the boot directory named SSH with no ending. This way we won't have to hook up a display and a keyboard to activate it in the configs of the Raspberry Pi. Now we need to connect the Pi to our router and add a power supply. Putty is the most common SSH client. Secondly, we need an IP scanner to get the address of our Raspberry Pi. So we download and install both applications. Search the Raspberry Pi. Copy the IP address and use the standard login Pi and the password Raspberry to get access. Let's change the password very quick to a new one and run some updates. And the new Raspberry Pi is ready to use.